Hello everyone, welcome to the demonstration of the Odoo Inventory Management System. In this video, we'll explore the application's features and understand how each module works. Login. First, enter your email address and password. Then click the Sign In button to access the system. Dashboard. After logging in, the dashboard opens successfully. The left navigation panel provides quick access to all available modules. Products. Click on the Products menu to view the complete list of products. From here, you can create a new product, update existing information, or search for any product using the search option. Customers. Next, open the Customers module. This page displays all registered customers along with their contact details. You can also add a new customer by clicking the Create button. Vendors. Now navigate to the Vendors section. Here you can manage supplier information and maintain vendor records. Purchase orders. Open the Purchase Orders module. Select a vendor, choose the required products, and create a new purchase order. Inventory. The Inventory section provides a complete overview of available stock, warehouse operations, and inventory movements. Low stock alerts. This page displays products with low stock levels. It helps users identify items that need to be restocked. Packing queue. The packing queue displays all orders that are ready for packaging. After packing is completed, the order status can be updated accordingly. Marketplace connectors. This module is used to integrate the inventory system with external marketplaces for product and order synchronization. Settings. The Settings section allows administrators to configure application preferences and system options. System logs. Finally, the System Logs page displays system activities, recent operations, and error logs for monitoring and troubleshooting. Ending. This concludes the demonstration of the Odoo Inventory Management System. Thank you for watching.